dedication to sports that might not always find its place in the limelight. Yet, we at the Sports Development Foundation have never wavered our commitment and support for these non-traditional sports, recognizing their significance in shaping our diverse sporting culture. Today, we proudly celebrate a sport that goes beyond lifting weights and flexing muscles.
Audrey, you must be very excited. You know, behind the scenes, you've done a lot of work to get here. Talk a bit about that and how are things going entering the major competition on the weekend?
Okay, so we have the National Championship coming up on the weekend, the 2nd of September, and we're so grateful to have Mayberry and the other sponsors on board. We're looking forward to it, and we're sure everybody's looking forward to the championship. So it's going to be really exciting. So we're looking for everyone to come out and enjoy it.
And what is the feedback you've been getting regarding interest?
The interest has been very good. The sport has been growing over the years. We have over 80 athletes competing, and it's like just going. It's great. It's a great thing.
Going into this competition, like always, I'm going to go in and give up my best. I mean, for me, making it to the stage, we're already a winner because 12 to 16 weeks of prep, if you survive 12 to 16 weeks of prep and you make it to the stage, regardless of your placement that night, you're already a winner.
I am actually after the junior title, and I do expect to get it. I do. There's a friendly rivalry between me and another competitor, and there's been a lot of changes since we last met on stage. I'm expecting a good show. May the better man win.
And what has your preparation been like?
Preparation has been rough. Anybody that does bodybuilding, any form of bodybuilding, can tell you that prepping is the hardest part. On stage is the easy part. Preparation has been great. I'm satisfied with my results thus far. It's just now me to go on stage and apply.
Since I won last year, I've been putting in the work to do it again this year. So I think I have a very good chance. I've been putting the work all year round, and this is what I've been doing the work for. Culminating on this event on Saturday, September 2nd, 7 p.m. at AC Marriott.
Okay, and what do you think about your competition?
Well, I don't know who is in my category as yet. We don't usually find out until on the day. But I like to believe I prepared for whoever is coming. Last year was a good competition, and I'm expecting the same, if not better, for even this year.